Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC B1648 relates to the passenger's door left front antenna circuit being open, indicating that there's an issue with the circuit responsible for receiving signals from the keyless entry system. This circuit is essential for the proper functioning of the keyless access control unit, which enables functionalities such as remote unlocking and starting of the vehicle without using a physical key. In this system, the antennas are located in the door handles, which means the passenger's door handle is directly involved in the communication process. Identifying this error code is crucial for ensuring keyless entry operates smoothly. The following troubleshooting steps will help to isolate and repair the issue effectively. DTC B1648 indicates a failure in the left front antenna circuit located in the passenger's door, which is part of the keyless access control unit's functionality. The keyless access control unit is responsible for detecting signals when the key fob approaches and enables various conveniences such as keyless entry. This antenna circuit is integral as it allows communication with the key fob, facilitating unlocking of the vehicle and enabling the engine start sequence. The antenna is part of the door handle assembly, emphasizing the need for physical access to this component during troubleshooting. Identifying issues in this circuit promptly ensures that the user experiences minimal interruptions while accessing their vehicle. Several factors could lead to the DTC B1648 being triggered. A faulty left front antenna is the primary suspect. If the antenna within the door handle fails, the keyless access control unit cannot detect the signals from the key fob. Wiring issues, such as open circuits or short circuits within the connecting wires, can prevent signal transmission. Additionally, corroded connectors can impede electrical conductivity, causing similar problems. Environmental factors like moisture can contribute to corrosion, further exacerbating the issue. It is essential to thoroughly investigate these potential causes during the troubleshooting process to ensure a proper repair. When DTC B1648 occurs, you may experience several symptoms that indicate an issue with the keyless entry system. The most noticeable symptom is the inoperability of the keyless entry feature. This means the vehicle will not respond to the key fob commands for unlocking or locking the doors. Another symptom could be intermittent failures of the door locks, which might engage or disengage sporadically, leading to frustration and confusion for the user. Additionally, the dashboard may display warning lights related to the keyless system, alerting the driver of potential malfunctions. Recognizing these symptoms can help in diagnosing the specific issue tied to DTC B1648 and streamline the repair process. The first step in addressing DTC B1648 is to verify the problem by clearing any stored diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, using the HDS, which stands for Honda Diagnostic System. Once cleared, access the keyless access control unit from the one-push start menu within the HDS. Enter the self-check option to initiate a comprehensive self-diagnostic of the system. After this self-check is complete, the HDS will provide any existing DTCs if the issue persists. If DTC B1648 is indicated, this confirms that the circuit issue is ongoing, and you would need to proceed to the next diagnostic step. If no DTC is shown, the vehicle may be experiencing intermittent failure, and checking for loose or poor connections would be warranted. For the second troubleshooting step, start by turning the vehicle to the off or lock mode. This is crucial to ensure safety while disconnecting electrical components. Next, disconnect the front passenger's door outer handle 8P connector to isolate the antenna circuit from other systems. Once the connector is removed, turn the vehicle to the on mode to acquire measurements. You will then need to measure the voltage across specific test points. Specifically, test point 1 is female terminal number 2, and test point 2 is female terminal number 6 within the 8P connector. If there is voltage present in this measurement, it may indicate that the left front antenna is faulty, thereby necessitating a replacement of the front passenger's door outer handle to resolve the issue. If no voltage is detected, proceed to the next troubleshooting step. In the final diagnostic step, begin by ensuring that the vehicle is turned off to prevent any electrical accidents. Proceed to connect terminals A and B using a jumper wire. Terminal A corresponds to female terminal number 2, and terminal B corresponds to female terminal number 6 on the 8P connector. This connection is essential for performing a continuity test later in the process. After this step, disconnect the body control module connector F, which has 36 pins. This disconnection allows for an accurate continuity check between specific points in the body control module connector. You will measure between test point 1, which is number 12, and test point 2, which is number 30 on the same connector. If continuity is confirmed, the EXT-FR-AS Plus and EXT-FR-AS Minus wires are functioning correctly, which leads to the conclusion that the body control module may be faulty and should be replaced. However, if there is no continuity, this indicates issues with open wires or high resistance requiring repairs to the wiring. After addressing the DTC B1648 by following the troubleshooting steps, it is important to conduct a final verification of the repair work. Start by confirming that all repairs or part replacements have been completed thoroughly. Clear any remaining diagnostic trouble codes using the HDS to ensure a fresh diagnostic environment. Following this, retest the keyless entry system's operations to confirm that the issue has been resolved. Pay attention to the performance of the system. Ensuring the keyless entry operates smoothly without failures is essential. If the problem persists, consider reviewing the previous steps and checking for any overlooked factors or further diagnostics, ensuring the vehicle is once again fully operational. To prevent the occurrence of DTC B1648 and ensure the longevity of the keyless entry system, implementing routine preventive maintenance is essential. Schedule regular inspections of the connectors and wiring associated with the left front antenna circuit to identify and address any signs of wear, damage, or corrosion early on. Corrosion in particular can drastically affect connectivity and signal reception, so applying protective coatings can help preserve connector integrity amid varying environmental conditions. Additionally, maintaining proper routing of the wiring to avoid mechanical stress or chafing contributes to a reliable system. Performing these preventive measures not only enhances the reliability of the keyless system, but also saves on potentially costly repairs in the future. In conclusion, DTC B1648 concerning the passenger's door left front antenna circuit open is crucial for the operational integrity of the Honda CRV's keyless entry system. Identifying and addressing the issues start with careful diagnostics, using tools like the HDS. Conducting thorough testing and troubleshooting, as outlined, allows for methodical elimination of potential failures or faults in components. Furthermore, regular maintenance practices can significantly mitigate the risk of recurring problems, ensuring a consistent and reliable experience with the keyless entry functions. Understanding these steps leads to a more informed ownership experience, reducing downtime and increasing the reliability of your vehicle's technology. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.